Hey guys, in today's video, let's look at how to insert an Excel sheet in PowerPoint. And there are a couple of different ways to do it, and I'll cover them in this video. So the most basic way is to insert a new worksheet. So to do that, you go to the ribbon at the top, Insert, and on the right hand side, you have Object. So click on Object, and here we want to first start off with the basic creating a new blank Excel worksheet, and you have two main choices. You can either use the old format of Excel, the 97 to 2003 worksheet, or the current one, which is the Microsoft Excel worksheet here. And so you insert that. And so what that does is it embeds a Excel worksheet in your PowerPoint, an Excel worksheet object in your PowerPoint. This allows you to use Excel formulas inside PowerPoint. So say equals 10 times 2, that will give you 20. And you could use your if formulas, equals if, and yeah, just use it like Excel. So if A1 equals 20, print yes, else print no. Yep. Okay, and so you have the spreadsheet worksheet embedded. If you want to resize it, so if you were to just drag this like this, it will make it smaller. But if you don't want the additional lines to appear, what you can do is make the adjustment after you double click into the object, and then you can resize it like that. Then make the change here. Yeah, we want 2 columns. So like this, yep. Then you click out, and there you have it. You have your embedded Excel worksheet created from scratch. Another option that's very popular is to have the icon, the Excel icon. So here again, you go to Insert, Object, and then Microsoft Excel worksheet, and we select Display as Icon. So what that does is now you have an icon that your users can click, and then it'll open up the worksheet in Excel. So this is a testing another column. Okay, so once that's done, yep, your user could just double click on the icon and an Excel worksheet opens up. Okay, so these are the two basic ways to insert an Excel worksheet into PowerPoint if you're on a new Excel worksheet. But the other common scenario is you might have an existing Excel worksheet that you want to add in. Again, there are two options if you want to add that. So insert object, and this time you want to create from a file, and then so you browse the file location. Okay, so I have it under C drive, demos. Here I have an Excel worksheet with some data, so I'm going to select that. And here again, you can display as an icon. I'm not going to do that, demo that for this one. But if you have existing data, you have a choice of whether you want to link it or not. So if you don't check link, what this does is it will insert the contents of the file as object into the presentation. And any changes you make here won't be made to the original Excel file and vice versa. So okay, so let me just go select that unlinked first to show you. And what this does, it will embed the data that you can then edit it like you would any Excel um, yep, spreadsheet. So equals to 169 times 2. Then if we go out, yep, we see that the change has been made. Okay, and the last one I wanted to show was if you were to link your data. So again, create from file, you want to browse, and here again, this time I've chosen to link. So when you link it, it pastes an image of the data. But when you open the file, what happens is the original file will open up. So the changes that you make are done to the original file. So if you were to make a change here, save that, then you close, you see that the change was made to the pasted value. But then if you open up the original file, you can see that the change was made to the original file as well. So it really depends on how you want to insert the Excel spreadsheet into your PowerPoint. I would recommend, if you're doing it with existing data, to link it so that you don't have to make the change in multiple places, and that helps to keep your data clean. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be back soon with a new one on probably um, how to link Excel and VBA. Sorry, Excel and PowerPoint using VBA. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.